Hello student. Previous video we saw exercise 4.3 question number 1. Now in this video we have to see 4.3 question number 2. Before this, watch that video and please share and subscribe and give your comments also. In this video we will see question number 2. Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots. Now first example here, 2x, here we have to find out the value of k. See, read the question properly, find the value of k and each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. Here this you have to remember. So this thing we will use in example while solving or while finding the value of k so that they have two equal roots. Now first example, 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. The given quadratic equation is 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. Then you know that you have to find out the a or compare this equation with the standard form a equal to 2, b equal to k and c equal to 3. Now here given they have the two equal roots. Two equal roots means here equal to will come 0. That previous video we saw, if equal roots are there then d equal to 0. So first find out d equal to b square minus 4ac. So b square you know that it's b is given k, so k square minus 4 into a value is 2 into 3, k square minus 24. Okay, two equal roots means d equal to 0, so means k square minus 24 equal to 0. So k square equal to 24, k equal to plus or minus, if you are taking square root then it is in square root it is coming 24, in square root 24, plus or minus, maybe the plus also minus also, because minus is plus. Okay, then here 24 is there, 4 into 6, 4 is the complete square, so we are taking 4. Otherwise like this another numbers are there, prime factors are also there, but 4 means this two we can take outside the square root, means 4 square is 2 and in bracket 6 will remain, plus or minus. The value of k are plus or minus 2 root 6, that is 2 root 6 minus 2 root 6. Plus or minus means one time plus, second time minus. So now next second example in this question also, in kx in bracket kx minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. Kx in bracket x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. The given quadratic equation is, see here, k already we are writing. So now here this bracket is there, we have to multiply. Kx means x square minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. So here now this become a quadratic equation, kx square minus 2kx plus c equal to 0. So a equal to k, b equal to minus 2k. See, x is there here, variable is x, so coefficient of x is 2k, so b equal to minus 2k and c equal to 6. Here remember this 2kx, here see kx square means a is k, b equal to minus 2k and c equal to 6. So b square minus 2ac. So b square value is minus 2k square minus 4 into k into 6. C's value is 6. So minus plus 4k square minus 4k into this 6 means 24k. 4k square minus 24k. So here starting only given here. Remember this here given here, no, in question they have the two equal roots. They have the equal roots means what? D equal to 0. So 4k square minus 24k equal to 0. So dividing by 4 in this equation. So what will come? If you are dividing k square minus 6k you will get that. So k is in bracket, outside the bracket. So what will remain in bracket? k will remain, because k square is 1k is going out, so only 1k will remain, and this k is outside the bracket, so 6 will remain, k minus 6 equal to, then this k outside the bracket k is there, k equal to 0 and k minus 6 equal to 0, so k equal to 0 or k equal to 6. So k equal to 0 is not possible. Why not possible? See here, if you are putting here k equal to 0 means this term will come 0, this term will come 0, then only 6 means this quadratic equation is not there. So, but they told that this is the quadratic equation, they have the equal roots. So, what we have to do? So, k equal to 0 is not possible. So, we have to consider k equal to 0. So, required value of k is 6. Now, question number 3. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. Means we have to say, is it possible to design rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth? Length is twice its breadth. So breadth we have to take the x. Okay, consider the breadth of a rectangular mango grove equal to x meter, and length is the twice, so length equal to 2x meter. Very simple. Area is also given, so area of rectangular, we know that area of rectangular mango grove is length into breadth. Area is given 800 equal to length is x, breadth is 2x. Here see, here give length is 2x and mango grove is x, so you have to take this length into breadth. Length is 2x and breadth is x meter. So length is x meter. Okay. So 2x into x equal to 2x square. 800 equal to 2x square. So we are rearranging 2x square equal to 800. So now 2x square, this 800 we are bringing this side, and it means equal to 0. Then dividing by 2. Dividing by 2 means what? X square minus 400 equal to 0. So x square equal to 400. Then very simple, taking square root. 400 square, we know that x equal to plus or minus in square root 400. Then 400 is the square root of 20, so x equal to plus or minus 20, that is x equal to 20 and minus 20. So minus 20 is rectangular plot, length or breadth is not possible minus, so we have to take x equal to 20 and 2x equal to 2x means what? This is the length, 2x is the length, so 2x equal to length means what? 2 into 20 equal to 40, means this is the 40 meter is the length and this is the x is the breadth. Okay, so this is the meter square is given. Okay, so here this is also meter, breadth is the meter. So it is possible, means it is possible now. 20 breadth can be, you know that length is always greater, or it is 2x. This condition is also satisfied. Length is 2x, means breadth is x 20. So 40, 20 into 40. If you are taking multiplication, then you will get the area. Area is coming 800. So it is possible to design the rectangular mango grove and its length and breadth are 40 meter and 20 meter respectively. Now question number 4. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present age. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their age in years was 48. Now we have to check, is it possible? Like a previous example only, we have to check that the sum of the ages of two friends. Suppose two friends are there. If you are taking first friend, there is x meter, and another is the, suppose here sum of the two friends is 20, means two friends is 20. So what we can do? Age of the second friend 20 minus x, Like this previous example also we studied how to find out this. The age of second friend is 20 minus x, because why? Two friends age is addition is or sum is 20. One is x, if another you are taking 20 minus x. So if you are adding this, if you are adding this x plus 20 minus x, the x and minus x will get cancelled, addition will become 20. Means this condition is satisfied. So we are writing 20 minus x. Sum of the ages of two friends is 20. 20 minus x. Means in that addition we are subtracting one friend's age. So we are getting the second friend's age. Age of the first friend. Now see here another condition. 4 years ago, before 4 years, means what? We have to take the subtraction. Age of that first friend was x, first was x. Now 4 years ago means what? X minus 4. And this 20 minus x means minus 4. Why? Because this condition is given 4 years ago. So we have to subtract that. Means 20 minus x minus 4 means 20 minus 4, 16 minus x. Second friend's age is 16 minus x. And product of their age is given. Here see in problem is given the product of their ages in year was 48. So x minus 4 and in 16 minus x equal to 48. Now we have to multiply these two brackets, means x into 16, 16x, x minus x square, minus x and this 16 minus 64, and minus 4 and minus x minus minus plus means it is a 4x. Okay, then we are rearranging minus x square plus 4x as it is, this plus 16 as it is, and minus 64 equal to 48. Now x square plus 4x plus 16x, 20x minus 64 as it is, and this plus 48 we are bringing or transposing this side, so it's become minus and equal to 0. So x square plus 20x minus 64 and minus 48, 112 equal to 0. So first term we are not keeping minus, so we have to multiply minus 1 to this equation. So it's become minus, then it's become plus, plus is there, it's become minus, minus is there, then it's become plus, equal to 0. Now comparing this equation. Now see here, here if you are taking prime factors, previous video I told you how to splitting the middle term and how to find the two numbers, so you have to take the prime factors. But now here, see here 2, 2, 2, 2 and 7 are there. So here if you are taking first 2 means 4 and this 4, 28, 28 and 4 means this 28 and 4. Minus 20x not possible. Then if you are taking this 8 and this 14, then also not possible. See, splitting of the term every time is not possible. So we are using this method in this particular exercise. Now here just I am showing you this is not possible, so we have to use this comparison and find out the a, b and c, then nature of the roots we have to find, and then we have to, so here then we have to compare with this equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a equal to 1, b equal to minus 20, c equal to 112. So b square minus 4ac, see, then b square, b we know that minus 20 square, minus 4 into 1, a is 1 and c is 112. So 20 minus 20 square is plus 400 minus 448. So here plus and minus is there, so subtraction minus sign, so 48. And this minus 48 is less than 0. 0 is greater. So quadratic equation, this equation we can see has no real roots in given situation is not possible. Now here minus 48 is coming, then age, whatever quadratic equation is there, no, or first we receive the first quadratic equation here. See, this first quadratic equation we received here, this quadratic equation. So after minus getting 48 is then, so here no real roots are not there, then this situation is not possible. Whatever it is given the age, their addition is 20 there before, so this here given is the following situation is possible, because minus 48 answer D is coming, and here this minus 48 is less than this 0, so has no real roots. Nature of the roots we studied, so given situation is not possible. Now again, next question is there, question number 5. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of a perimeter 80 meter? Perimeter is 80 meter and area 400 meter square. If so, find its length and breadth. Now here perimeter is given and area is given. If perimeter is given, consider the breadth of the rectangular park be x meter. Then perimeter is given. Perimeter of the rectangular is 80 meter is given and area is also given. So what is the formula for perimeter? 2 in bracket length plus breadth equal to 80. So if you are dividing by this 2 multiply length plus is there equal to 80. So length plus x keep in bracket, and this multiply 2 is there coming, this transposing this side, so become division, so it's become 40. Length plus x equal to 40. Length equal to 40 minus x, we are bringing this side, length equal to 40 minus x. Here first only we consider the breadth x and the perimeter is given, so we are finding length equal to 40 minus. Now area of rectangle is given, so already we got breadth is x, length is minus 40. So length into breadth equal to area of rectangular park. So length is what? 40 minus x into x equal to 400. This 400 is also given. Now multiply x into 40, 40x minus x square equal to 400. So rearranging this equation, minus x square plus 40x equal to 400. So minus x square plus 40x and this plus 400 transposing this side, so become minus equal to 0, multiplying by 1. So here multiplying by 1, so it's become plus x square. This plus become minus 40x and minus plus 400 equal to 0. So splitting the middle term, this you can do by splitting the middle term also, because it is possible now. See here 20 20 minus 20 minus 20, it's become 40, and 20 into 20 minus 20 into 20 40. Is it possible? And by nature of the another way, this way also you can solve this. Now here x is in outside the bracket, so inside the bracket x minus 20 minus here this 20 here, and in bracket will become x, and outside the bracket minus sign is, so minus 20 equal to 0. X minus 20 and x minus 20 equal to 0. So x minus 20 equal to 0 or x minus 20 equal. So x equal to 20 or x equal to 20. Now means roots are same. And another way what we studied in this exercise, this way also you can see. For here it is possible. Splitting the term is also possible, and this method also you can use here. So x square minus 40x, so a equal to 1, b equal to minus 40, and c equal to 400. So b square minus 4ac, so b square minus 40 square minus 4 into 1, 400. So here minus minus plus means 40 square is 1600 minus 4 into 4, 1600. 4 into 400, it is 1600, and its subtraction is 0. So quadratic equation has equal real roots because d equal to 0. And here already also we got by splitting the term. And so if equal roots are then what is the formula? Minus b upon 2a. So what is the minus b as it is, and b's value is, don't forget this minus sign, b's value is minus 40. And here already minus is there, minus first this minus we have to write, b value is minus 40 upon 2 into 1, a's value is 1, so minus minus plus 40 upon 2, 20. And again same way, minus b upon 2a minus minus 40 means 2 into 1, 40 upon 2, equal to 20. So length and breadth of the rectangular park is 20 meter and 20 meter respectively. Here length and breadth is coming same, 20 and 20. Okay, so here we completed exercise 4.3. In this coming video we will solve the next lesson or lesson next chapter, fifth chapter we will study. Here in this video, first all we are completing textbook exercise. After finishing all lessons, then we are going to extra questions like a 1 marker, 2 marker. These questions, extra questions we are solving. First we will complete only exercise in textbook, what in CRT textbook, what is exercise given, that problem only we are